Hi, this is Mishi from Mishiworld, and today I'm going to show you how to make rainbow loom bracelets with beads. So let's get started. For this bracelet with beads, you will need 4 bands of each color and 3 beads of each color. So let's begin. You can use your index finger and your middle finger on your left or right, whichever way is easier for you. So take a red band, put it on one finger, twist it, and then put it on the other. Take an orange band and a red bead, and then put the orange band in the red bead, like this, and then put the 2 sides on your finger, and then put the halves on the left and right. And then you pick a yellow bead. Take a red band, put it on your finger, twist it, and then put it on your other finger. Then take an orange band and a red bead, and then put the orange band in the red bead, and then put them on your fingers, and then do this. And keep repeating it with different colors. So now I'm going to take the yellow band and the orange bead and put it in, and then I'm gonna put it in and put it on my fingers and do it over again. And then if you keep repeating it, it will get longer and longer. I'm almost at the end of it, so now I need to show you the next part. So take a red band and then put the blue one on top, and then take an orange band and put the red one on top. Then take a yellow band and put the orange one on top, and then take a green band and put the yellow on top, and then take a blue band and put the green on top, and then take a purple band and put the blue on top, and then the last one, take a pink one and then put the purple one on top, and then secure it with an S-clip or a U-clip. So put it on the half on the S-clip, then leave it, and then do this, and then just leave it, and then you have to do the other side. You have to pick up the reds, and then pull it, and then pick up the S or U from the other side, and do the same. Now the Rainbow Loom bracelet with beads is ready to wear. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.